So the company GUSGU sent me out this, and I've been using this for quite a while now. This is something that's really essential and highly important to have because it does a all-in-one feature. So you can charge pretty much your AirPods, your Apple Watch, your iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 Pro. It does every single thing that you could think of. It comes with a power C adapter, a C adapter that you need basically a brick, which will come all the way on the bottom right here, a power C adapter that charges there. But the magnetic, the GUSGU display charger, it has 3 different functions. You can have a neon mode, a RGB mode. You could have it set to, you can have it off too and charge at the same time, or you could have it as well too, white as well too. That is a standby mode feature. So let's say if your power charging is done, it'll just display as white and then it'll just charge itself too, and as a heat prevention so it doesn't overheat or anything like that. This is right here, you can see as a AirPods, so you could charge your AirPods too. I do not have AirPods, so I could not use that. I do have an Apple Watch and an iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I can use that to charge it up. It's a magnetic charger, so I'll show you guys that later on as well too. But it has, like I said, 3 different color options you can have too. Then right here is where you could close it up too, so I could charge it like this as well too. And you can have that option as well too. But you could, if you do have AirPods, you could, charge it up like that and have it as mode like that. This is a 360 degrees rotation, so I can rotate it to however your liking. And what I'm gonna do now is show you guys, like, I'm gonna put my Apple Watch and show you guys how it charges. So this is my Apple Watch Series 6 that I'm gonna go charge it up. You can see it has a charger right here, so all you have to do is pretty much do this, and there you go. It charges up, and as you can see, it's in charging mode. It's almost close to 100%. Pretty much it's almost at 100%. But you can see here, it pretty much, this is like a all-in-one feature. What I'm gonna do now is pretty much show you guys, like, I'm gonna charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max. You're gonna see how easy it is to put it on and take it off.